How would you handle data communication between Angular components that don't share a parent-child relationship? There are several ways to handle data communication between Angular components that don't share a parent-child relationship. 1. Service. You can use a service to create a shared data store that can be accessed by any component in your application. This service can have methods to read and write data, and components can subscribe to changes in the data. This approach is suitable for small to medium-sized applications, and it provides a simple and efficient way to share data between components. 2. Event bus. You can use an event bus to communicate between components. An event bus is an object that acts as a centralized communication hub that components can publish events to and subscribe to. When a component publishes an event, all subscribed components will receive the event and can act on it as needed. This approach is useful for larger applications with many components that need to communicate. 3. RxJS. You can use RxJS to create observables that can be subscribed to by any component. An observable is a stream of data that can be observed by multiple subscribers. Components can subscribe to the observable to receive data, and they can also emit data to the observable. This approach is suitable for applications that require complex data flow management. 4. Message service. You can use a message service to send messages between components. A message service is a centralized service that manages messages and routes them to their intended recipient. Components can send messages to the service, and other components can subscribe to messages to receive them. This approach is useful for applications that require asynchronous communication between components. The approach you choose depends on the specific requirements of your application. Each of these methods has its advantages and disadvantages, and you should choose the one that best suits your needs. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.